Now we will go through the patching feature in GroupTalk PC Dispatcher. Patching is a method to link talk groups together so that users in two or more talk groups can communicate and hear each other. The feature is included in the Dispatcher license and available for all dispatchers to use. The dispatcher can create a patch in the menu bar by clicking on the plus icon. Click on Create Patch. Each patch is assigned with a unique color. You can change the names of the patches. The names are unique to you as a dispatcher and not visible to other users. Double-click on the text box, enter the new name for the patch, and press Enter to save it. A dispatcher can patch the talk groups they have access to, including shared groups. Note that you cannot patch a full duplex group. And you cannot patch two patches together. To add talk groups to a patch, click on the group and select Add. You will now see a list on the left with the talk groups that you have added to the patch. All the users in the patched groups will be able to hear each other talking. If you want to remove a talk group from the patch, click on the group and select Remove. Note that a talk group can only be in one patch at a time. A patch is owned by the dispatcher who created it, which means only the creating dispatcher can make changes in the patch. However, all dispatchers with access to a talk group in the patch can break the patch and release the talk groups. We'll show you how to break a patch later. Now we can see that security, personal protection and lead management are included in Patch 1. This is shown by the pink link icon. Let's see how these three talk groups can speak and hear each other by being patched.
Aston from security here. Is lead ready to go?
Yes, lead management is ready to go.
Good, wait for my signal. Lead and personal, go now.
Lead is inside.
Now let's continue to go through the patching feature. If the dispatcher removes personal protection from the patch, the pink link icon next to the talk group's name in the list will disappear. A dispatcher can create a maximum of 8 patches simultaneously, with a maximum of 8 talk groups in each patch. All dispatchers can see if their talk groups are included in a patch. If you want more information about a patch, you can click on the link icon. This will display the following information: who created the patch, when it was created, which talk groups are included in the patch, and the option to break the patch. By opening the security group in a separate panel included in Patch 1, the dispatcher can see the participant list. Note, depending on the group that the dispatcher opens in a new panel, participants are displayed in different ways. They can be shown either as individual participants or as a patched group. This is useful, for example, security companies that do not want to display each individual user included in the patch to the other talk groups that they are patched with. The dispatcher can also send text messages and view location. Note that text messages and location are not shared between the patched groups. It is only the voice messages from the participants that are shared. Mobile users talk in a patched group the same way as in any other talk group. The only difference is that the patched groups will appear as participants under the participant icon with a patch link icon.
Doe from lead management is testing the sound.
A patch is not time-limited or dependent on the online status of the owning dispatcher. If the dispatcher who created the patch goes offline, the patch will still be available. And as mentioned before, any dispatcher in the organization can break a patch to release a talk group. Break patch. Now all talk groups are released and ready to be included in a new patch. Thank you for watching. Now you are ready to enjoy the powerful patch feature.